HDR stands for High Dynamic Range, and it's built into OSCR360 to give the user the opportunity to capture images in scenarios where the lighting may not be ideal. The sensors in the OSCR360 camera fire 4 times, capturing multiple exposures and combining the data together into one properly exposed photo. Check out these before and after images with OSCR360 using HDR. HDR shows a fair and accurate depiction of the scene by eliminating glare and capturing photos in bright light or darkness. HDR allows you to capture images that are close to what the human eye can see.